We love soda on a hot day, with a burger, or instead of coffee, but that soda sure doesn't love us back. This is why. Sometimes an ice-cold cola is just what you need, but the sugar rush does a number on your body. If you need to rehydrate, you might want to drink water or seltzer instead of soda. What happens inside the body when one consumes soda? Crack, fizz, and gulp. Your blood sugar levels will skyrocket within the first 10 to 15 minutes after drinking that cola, since the sugar will be absorbed directly into your bloodstream by your intestines. Multiple organs in your body go into overdrive in order to metabolize that sugar when you consume a large quantity of sugar, since it provides a large amount of fast, fizzy energy. Even soda firms won't reveal all of their secrets to you. Insulin is secreted by your pancreas to assist in transporting sugar, which is a carbohydrate, to your muscles so that they may use it for energy. However, the amount of sugar in that soda is well in excess of what your muscles require. When a person consumes a soda with a capacity of 20 ounces, the quantity of carbohydrates that they take in is equivalent to that of a whole meal. Since this beverage typically drinks after a meal, the additional carbohydrates it contains will need to be metabolized once the meal has been digested. This surplus of sugar, rather than being stored as glycogen in the muscular tissue, is turned into fat by the liver. Kidney damage. Your kidney also plays a role in the process, as it works to rid your body of extra sugar through your urine. This results in water being lost from your body, which, when combined with the diuretic effects of the caffeine in the drink, raises the likelihood that you may become dehydrated. Your bones and teeth can weaken. Regular consumption of soda, particularly in place of water, may be detrimental to tooth enamel. When you drink soda, you expose your teeth to a combination of acid and sugar, both of which can cause tooth enamel to deteriorate, which can lead to an increased risk of developing cavities. In addition to being bad for your teeth, soda can also be bad for your bones. Drinking soda, particularly colas, may put a person at a higher risk of developing osteoporosis. Phosphorus, which is frequently labeled as either phosphoric acid or phosphate, is found in many of these soft drinks. Phosphorus causes an increase in the amount of calcium that is excreted in the urine. When consumed on a regular basis, the caffeine in soda can prevent the body from properly absorbing calcium, which can result in bone loss. As a result, it is essential to make certain that your diet contains an adequate amount of calcium and vitamin D in order to reduce the risk. If you consume soda on a daily basis, you most likely don't drink as much water or milk with a high calcium content as you otherwise would. If someone has a poor calcium intake and a high intake of beverages that are high in phosphorus, this puts them at high risk for low bone density, which in turn increases their risk of fractures and osteoporosis. Well, do you like what you are seeing so far? Don't forget to like and subscribe. Keep watching because you don't want to miss the end. You'll have a higher risk of all-cause mortality. One of the things that can occur as a result of drinking soda on a daily basis is an increased risk of death from any cause. This may be the most startling effect. The use of total, sugar-sweetened, and artificially sweetened soft drinks were found to be positively linked with all-cause mortality in one study that included data from over 451,000 persons residing in 10 European nations. Nutrient deficiency. Diet soda may have fewer calories and less added sugar than regular soda, but despite these benefits, it is still not a healthy beverage option. If you drink soda on a regular basis instead of more nutrient-dense beverages like water, milk, or even 100% juice, you run the risk of developing nutrient deficiencies in your body. This can lead to a variety of health complications. Insensitivity to leptin. Leptin is a hormone that is naturally produced by our bodies and is responsible for controlling the total number of calories that we take in and burn off. Since changes in leptin levels can occur in response to both obesity and starvation, this hormone is also known as the hunger hormone or the fullness hormone. Studies conducted on animals provide evidence that fructose consumption is a significant factor in the development of leptin resistance, which is one of the most important factors that contribute to increased body fat. Cancer. When it comes to the causes of death, statistics typically place cancer farther down the list after other potentially fatal disorders such as diabetes, obesity, and heart disease, all of which can be brought on by drinking soda. Therefore, it should come as no surprise that drinking soda is also associated with an increased risk of developing cancer. So, that's it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Hit us up in the comments and let's chat. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications for our channel so you never miss what's coming next from us. Thanks for watching.